Okay, I'm going to go to the back room to see what's new. Okay, I'm in the back room, and I wonder what this item would be. What are you doing? This is a restricted area, Mr. Noisy. Right. Yeah, I know. I'm going to have to ask you to get out of here, or I'm going to punch you. Why is he doing this to me? I'd like a piece of me. I'm going to I'm going to spew off the... Sweeps, come here. Yes, can you force Mr. Noisy not to come back in here? Yes. Remember, no Mr. Noisies and Miss Tidies allowed. Yes, it's funny. My head is broken. You got kicked out as well? Would you two be quiet? I'm going to get some sleep. I know, Splasho disturbed me. Yeah. You two get out of here, old. Now. Old Alex, that is a Richard Epcot. You.